Came across an old farm, standing broken and bare. It used to be someone's home, now no one lives there.
Good morning, it's day 24. We're just headed out of Steamboat Springs towards the Brush Mountain Lodge. It's gonna be probably our almost last day here in Colorado. Tomorrow we're trying to then make it to Rawlins in Wyoming. And yeah, it's beautiful weather. We're here in this really beautiful scenery on the river, and we're just saying bye to Steamboat, a really amazing city.
Welcome to Clark! We made it to Clark! Woohoo! There's supposed to be a nice deli place. So before we head up the mountain, we will, I think we'll get another coffee. Coming out of Steamboat, up the mountain here to Brush Mountain Lodge, you see endless fields of wild mule's ears. They're so beautiful. It's amazing. Wow, I'm speechless. This ride up here from Steamboat is just so beautiful. I would say this is one of the most beautiful sections of the entire route so far. I mean, every section is so beautiful in its own character, but you know, the flowers up here are just so amazing, the mountains, the trees.
I wonder whether any other riders want to stay in Colorado, because I feel like let's just stay here.
We saw a few riders on the track leaders page who got stuck at Brush Mountain Lodge. I think now I understand why. And look at these flower fields. I mean, the different shades of purple mixed with white and yellow tones. It's just amazing. It's so wild out here. this first part of the climb up here was really tough. I mean, there's some really big rocks, but you can ride it. And it's getting better now. You can see the road here gets better. A lot of fun to ride, actually. Sweet. almost made it to Brush Mountain Lodge. Oh yes.
Still more convenient for business stuff, I guess. That's pretty much it. Came across an old farm standing broken and bare. It used to be someone's home, now no one lives there. There's a red barn standing held together with nails and rust, and a tired old messy old wires and crust, weeds overgrown and a garden sown with care. It used to be someone's home, now no one lives there. Through the crack of the window pane, I hear the sound of the falling rain. Another farm being left run down. Another family was into town. Had a life that they tried to save, but the banks took it all away. On the sign on the torn screen door, nobody lives here no more.
Yeah! Yay!